Hi, my name is Suzanne Dale and I am the owner of Flatwearable Artisan Jewelry. My father John is the inventor of the Flatwearable spoon bracelet and ring bender. This is truly a revolutionary tool for the silverware jewelry artisan. Since the invention of our original bender, we have come up with a number of improvements. We are now releasing the 4th generation bender, which offers a tremendous amount of ability over previous generations. We have tried to address some of the issues that our customers have brought to our attention. One of those issues being the flattening of silverware. With the new bender in the T-back extension, your need to flatten silverware is almost entirely eliminated. We're going to allow you to bend faster and more efficiently. That's going to save you time, and as we all know, time is money. I'm going to go ahead and show you what the bender is capable of. In our previous models, you had to flatten the bowl of the spoon or the tines of the fork in order to get a proper bend. Now with our new design, where we're actually moving the bender up and out of the vise, you no longer have to do the flattening. It's not only going to save time, it's also going to save arm, shoulder, and hand pain. We used to insert from the top to the bottom, which is why we had to flatten. Now we can insert from the bottom up. Definitely a tremendous time saver. You're going to tighten the front. We offer a very nice wrench that's going to allow you to tighten this easily. This is the pressure roller. This is your main bending roller, and we're going to simply just go around, coming off the other side. You can also bend 2 forks, 2 spoons at a time, as long as they're not tremendously heavy. I'm going to show you how you can make a cuff bracelet with the bender unit in this configuration, just using the T-back. You're going to lift the roller unit up, slide it in, then you're going to tighten the nuts on the bottom of the block. Now you're going to draw your rollers up and you're going to bend. Loosen that up a little bit. Okay, now you've done the one side. Same thing, now you're going to draw the rollers up, not too tight. You do too tight, you get too much slipping. Little hint with the cuff bracelets is you're going to have to pull this out somewhat. Because when you roll that over, if this isn't away from the roller, it's going to bump into that and it's not going to work well. One way to help prevent slipping is using a piece of leather or a piece of cloth, place it around that portion of the spoon, and then put on a vice grip. Now there's no way for that spoon to slip back through the other side. And you're going to bring your rollers up and complete the bend. And just rolling it out. And there you have your cuff bracelet. I've set the bender unit up now in the ring configuration, installing the ring block and the number 2 roller. So it's important to have, when you have your ring shank prepared, that you bend on the heavy end first. That's the most difficult portion to bend, especially if you've got something that's ornate on that end. We're going to put it in there approximately 3/4 on this side and 1/4 on that side. Again, we're going to tighten the nuts on the bottom. A lot of people experience slipping when it comes to ring bending. So if you are one of those people that you feel like you need a little more security on the back, go ahead, add your piece of leather or cloth, and clamp on your vice grip. You're going to draw your rollers up. As you draw them up, you can see the ring shank is starting to bend. Then you're going to bring it around. Now we have to bend the small tip that we have left in the back. You need to move your rollers to the other side. Bring them up, and a little bit tighter. And we finished that side of the... And you're going to remove your ring. Okay, so any additional shaping that you may need to perform on the ring, you're going to do on the steel mandrel. I always recommend using the Lonnie V ring mandrel holder. It makes the shaping of your ring so much easier. So you can see that that needs to be closed up, but we're going to do that on the steel mandrel.